Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with NSW Health. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in healthshare.nsw.gov.au/staff-resources. Then press enter and now you will be taken into the staff resources page. Now in order to log into your employee account, click on the login to EOL button and you will be taken into the employee online login page. Go ahead and type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email address box and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your employee account with NSW Health. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the can't access your account option to reset your credentials, or you can also click on sign in options to log in through other methods. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with NSW Health. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.